I had some difficulty installing yt-dlp on Termux, so on Android. And here are the steps that you have to do. First is installing Termux from F-droid. F-droid is an app. And they recommend to install F-droid through this link, which is like F-droid website. It looks like this. And then you can download it, install it. It's basically like the Google App Store for open source applications. So basically you get F-droid, you download the APK, you install it just like you would normally. And then inside of F-droid, you look for Termux, you install it. There's a version in Google Play Store, but apparently it has some problem. I haven't checked it. If you want to test it out, you can. Basically, once you have F-droid and Termux installed, so this is both apps, in Termux, you write this command, so pkg update, you let it do its thing. If it asks you, hey, do you want to do something, you have to write, I think it's a capital Y to say yes to whatever question it asks you. Then you install git, so wait for pkg update to finish, then pkg install git, then git clone the address of this repository, which is right here. I have a link in the description. It's this. And then you would do this to change the directory to the newly created one, and then bash install sh. Of course, super warning. People are freaking out. Oh, I'm installing some script that I don't know what it's doing. Look, if you don't want to do these last three things, you don't have to. This is if you want to make it easier. This is what I used, which is more automated. But if you don't trust it, or you think that this somehow it could technically, this repository could change in the future. So if you don't trust it, you can just go up here. You have the install sh script. You can read it, see what it does, see if it does anything nefarious. But still, let's say you don't trust it and you're like, you know what, I'm not, then just do this, basically. I think with doing this, it also works. So essentially what you're doing is, again, from the top, you install F-droid. Inside F-droid, you install Termux, open Termux, then pkg update, pkg install git. Actually, you don't need pkg install git, just pkg update, and then you go inside of the install sh and you follow these. So this you did already. You would do Python ffmpeg install first, let it run its thing, say yes to anything that it does, then wheel, then this, and you should be good to go. And to see that it works, I will show here at the end of the video what it looked like on my phone. What if you get some SSL error? So for example, I imported apps from my previous phone, so my old phone to my new phone, and I think the Termux app was like an old version or something. It has some issues. So what I recommend to do in that case is uninstall Termux and reinstall it through F-droid. And that should do it. That's what did it for me, because otherwise, I think even the first command, so I think it's pkg update, wouldn't really do anything. So this first thing, it would give me all sorts of errors, like I couldn't, somehow it wasn't compatible, reference errors and stuff like that. So I think that's pretty much it. So again, F-droid first through their website, then Termux, then pkg update, pkg install git. If you trust the script, git clone, this thing, change the directory, bash install. If you don't trust it, you only do pkg update. And then after that, these three commands, each individual, wait, say yes if they ask you something, and then all the rest, and then it works. At the end of my video that I'm gonna attach here, you have the end result, which is like yt-dlp works. All right, so I hope it was useful. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.